I'm going to show you in this tutorial how you can add a sticky bar, right, on a Hostinger website builder, and it just like it's very helpful. You can add different discounts, display offers and incentives, and this can lead to more purchases on or signups. So to add one, what you're gonna need to do is just to hover your cursor right over here at the top, and then here you're gonna see add sticky bar. It's super simple now. Add here, sorry, just click on here, double click, and you can add here your text. You can change the paragraph, you can change the font and also font size. Double click, and also link this to, you can link this to a web address, you can link this to section, to a phone number, to a file to download, and you can select the file from here. Super cool. Now you have here other like things to highlight your text, to bold your text, to underline, to strike through. You also have, you can add some animation here, fade or scale. Now that's pretty much it. So now you can preview this. That's how it's gonna look like. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more. I really appreciate it. Thanks.